Hi guys, welcome back from holidays. Good to see you all, and I hope you had a restful break. Just wanted to reach out and make sure that you guys are all looking after yourselves and everything's okay. If it's not, I just want to tell you that you can reach out to me at any time or Mr. Mills via Canvas. So just send us an inbox, and we'll endeavour to help as best as we can from there. Besides that, just some general tips for getting you guys going during online learning. I know it's not ideal, but there are some things you can do to make it a lot better for yourself. So just a few tips that I'll also put up on the Year 11 year group page. Make sure you're waking up at the same time every day as you normally would to start your day. Have a shower, have some breakfast, get dressed, so on and so forth. Don't laze around in bed too much. It will make you highly unmotivated. Second thing is make sure you're getting out of the house at some point during the day. Go for a walk around the block, get some fresh air. It does wonders for the mind. Make sure you're eating well, drinking plenty of water throughout the day as you normally would. Have regular meal times as well. So if you want to follow your school timetable, that's generally pretty helpful. So have your recess and have your lunch. Make sure you reach out and talk to your friends and your family. That's really important. So if you're feeling a little bit flat, share your feelings with them. And make sure you reach out to your other mates as well. That's really important to make sure that they're all right and everybody feels connected during this time. Exercise is number one. So if exercise for you means playing a sport, unfortunately you can't do team sports at the moment, but some other sports like tennis you could play at the moment. Walking's a great idea. Go for a run. There's plenty of good workouts online. I posted one in the year group page that I've been following. You don't need any equipment for it. It's pretty good. Goes for half an hour. Really, really, really important. Guys, just to reiterate again, if you need anything, don't hesitate to reach out to myself or Sir. And I hope that online learning goes well for you, and I'll speak to you soon.